Good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. What about you? Okay, you are from Jharkhand. What do you do? Are you a student or are you working? You are a student. Okay, so nice. Do you want to enhance your English language or do you want to just interact with the co-learner? Okay, you want to enhance your English language. Yes, I want to enhance my English language. That's why I'm using this platform. Let's see, we discuss one topic. It is a better for us to enhance our language, right? We don't waste our time. And let's see, we discuss about English sound, right? Because we are language learner, we have to know about that kind of stuff also, because if we talk with anyone in our mother tongue, that sound is a different, right? If we talk with anyone in English, that sound is a different, right? That's why we have to improve our pronunciation and our tone, like a English tone, not like a mother tongue influence tone, right? That's why we are learning here. And because we have to know about how many sound it has in English language, right? Because 26 alphabets in English, right? Five is a vowels, and 21 are consonant, right? But it has 44 sounds, right? But 26 alphabets, but 44 sound, right? Then we have to know also this kind of sound, right? We know ABCD, EFG, right? EFG, C, this kind of A to Z we know very well, A B C D E F G H, right? But that sound, if they make any words, then that makes a different sound, right? Means we, their alphabet is a different, we call in different A B C D, and A makes one words APPLE, then we call apples, right? Means B make a one words BUT, then we call but, right? U also in different sound, that's why it has a 44 sounds. Then we have to learn that sound also, we have to know about that sound, right? And that's when we can improve our pronunciation. If you know how it calls and how it makes sound, right? But that sound, even though you see, means A means k, B means b, this kind of they make a foreigner, they make sound, right? But that we people, we have a 54 alphabets in our mother tongue, right? Ka, e, this chota I, bada I, this kind of they make a English sound also, A B C D, right? Then long E, short E, right? And that's why small letter and capital letters it has. And that's why we have to know about also that sound, then we can pronounce a good way, like we have to make a English sound while talking with others, they can understand what we wanna tell them, right? Then it will take time, because we can't know about deeply about language, but we have to learn, right? It will take time, but we have to learn step by step. It is better for us, because we are a language learner, not only grammar and vocabulary, idiom, phrasal verb, or any kind of. We have to learn also how to make sound, and what is means how to alphabet sounds. Alphabet, in it has a five vowels, five letters of vowels, right? But it's also make a different sound, right? It has a 19 sounds. Alphabet makes means vowels makes 19 sound, right? And rest means consonant letters make a different sound. Then it is a different kind of breathing, right? It is a different structure, means always changes. We can't say C means only C. S we also make a C sound, right? G, if you tell G, we always know it is a make a G, right? But if you write generation, GE, right? Not a generation, right? Means this kind of we have to learn, means when we call generation, when we call Googles, right? Google, Googles, right? Not a Jules, right? But if you make a GENERATIONS, generation, right? Then G makes a different sound. Sometimes G makes a G sound, sometimes G makes a J sound. And we have to learn this kind of sound also, because we are a language learner. We have to know little bit about language, right? Then we can make a sentences also. We get a little bit good fluency, and with whom you talk they can understand, and they can evaluate, right? You are a good speaker or not. Language takes time. No one can get overnight, but we have to learn. And you know it has a five pillars, four pillars also and five pillars also: reading, writing, listening, speaking, and thinking also, right? That's why language trainer always tell us you have to learn, means how to think in English, right? And you less do it, translate inside your head, right? But obviously we have to translate inside our head. But you know, if you take time to translate your mother tongue, after that your English, and you deliver your thought, then it will take time, then you don't get fluency, right? But inside your head you never take time to translate and you speak, then you become a good speaker and you achieve your fluency, right? That's why we are learning, and we have to train our mind to tongue. Right now whatever I am telling you, you can understand properly, right? You are a good speaker and you can understand properly, because we never take what is fluency. People, they don't know what is fluency. Fluency means fluency never take time to think about and translate your mother tongue to English. That is called fluency. If you take time to translate your mother tongue to English, then it will take time, then it is not a fluency. It will take time to enhance your fluency, right? Because fluency never take time. You translate inside within short period and you deliver your speech in front of anyone if you think. But we have to think in English as a language, not a subject, right? That's why it has a four pillar: reading, writing, listening, speaking. We have to do simultaneously, regularly, then definitely anyone can get a good fluency and they can speak good English, right? And writing, you know, your mind provide a good sentences and you be consistency while writing, right? And writing means trend your mind, right? And your tongue, because you think means you think simultaneously at a time. Think and write, think and write, right? Then it never take time, because writing, you correct your writing if you make mistake with any grammar, right, in your sentences. And if you forget to write any kind of vocabulary, then you correct your sentences. Then you get time to correct your sentence or something through writing. But while speaking you never get chance to think or write or any kind of stuff, right? We have to focus, because if you have good fluency, then you can speak good English, not like that. Then that's why first of all we have to focus also fluency, right? And we have to focus also sound, how to make English sound, right? Then it is a good for us, because you are a language learner, then you can understand very well. And what is your strategy to enhance your language?